Hi everyone, welcome back to Fix Your Apps. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix a call failed issue on the Messenger app on iPhone step by step so you can get back to making smooth calls without interruptions. Now let's get started. Method 1. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. This is the gear-shaped icon that lets you manage all device preferences. Step 2. Scroll down and tap on Apps, then tap on Messenger. This is where you control Messenger's permissions and settings. Step 3. Toggle on Background App Refresh for Messenger. This ensures the app stays updated and running in the background for better performance. Step 4. Go back to Settings, tap on General, then tap on Background App Refresh. This menu controls how apps update when not in use. Step 5. Select Wi-Fi and cellular data. This option allows the app to refresh whether you are connected to Wi-Fi or using mobile data. Step 6. Ensure Messenger appears enabled in the background app refresh list. If it's off, turn it on to prevent connection interruptions. Step 7. Restart your iPhone. Restart refreshes the system and clears temporary glitches. Step 8. Open Messenger and try making a call again to see if the problem is fixed. Method 2. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Step 2. Tap on General. This section contains important device management tools. Step 3. Tap on iPhone Storage. Here you can see how much space each app uses and manage storage settings. Step 4. Scroll or tap Show all apps, then find and select Messenger. Step 5. Tap Offload app. This removes the app but keeps your data safe for reinstallation. Step 6. After offloading, tap Reinstall app. This installs a fresh copy without losing your account or messages. Step 7. Open Messenger and test making a call to confirm the issue is resolved. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to Fix Your Apps for more helpful guides.